Making birch syrup can be a fun project in interior Alaska where we live, near Fairbanks. It's a fun spring project when there's not a lot to do and the ground is still kind of frozen and kind of muddy. There's still a lot of snow and it's cold outside, but it's a fun spring project. So you want to find a birch tree that's at least 10 centimeters in diameter, and you want to find one that gets a good amount of sunlight on the south facing side. And today is April 28th. We've been getting sap for a few days now, sometime between when the trees start to bud and when the leaves come out. You can get it, and the earlier sap is the better. So it turns, this early sap is the sweetest, and then it kind of changes flavor and it's not good after about a week. So you want to get it as quick as you can. We got these online, and you just follow the instructions, drill a hole at a slightly upward angle so it drips out, and it's dripping through here right now and into this bucket. We just used milk jugs, drill a hole in there a little bit bigger than that tube, and then I dump it into this bucket. And there's nothing right now because we just emptied, but that's probably the easy part. You can get maybe a gallon or even a little more than a gallon off one tree in a day if you find a good south-facing spot like this. So that's how you collect the sap, and now we'll show you how we boil it down. Okay, so this is how we start to cook down the sap to make syrup. Sap tastes almost exactly like water. It has just a teeny little bit of sugar to it. And so we want to evaporate the water out and keep the sugar that's in there. And it takes a ratio of something like 50-to-1 or something like that till you really get down to the syrupy good stuff. And this is the easiest way I've found to do it. A lot of people do it with propane, and by the end they are spending more money than they even making in the syrup. This, I make a little stove. This is a car hood that we had kicking around. Just because the ground is so soggy wet, I can't really build any effective fire on it. The bricks help to reflect the heat, and it just takes a teeny little bit of scrap wood left from our, from our wood pile. And you can see all the steam that's coming off of here. You don't want to let it boil and get too hot; it might burn. But the water level used to be, up on this line, and now it's down there, so it's effectively evaporating a lot of the water off of there. And so I really like this way. It's efficient, and it's kind of fun to have a little campfire. We're cooking hot dogs and marshmallows on it too, and it's kind of fun to just be out here in the sun, have a little campfire, and make some birch syrup at the same time.